Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Tom with another episode of Market Cap Investing. I wanted to give you a quick rundown on where we're at after 8 weeks, $35 invested. We've made $1.70, which is a return of 4.9% over 8 weeks. So we're doing great. This is exactly what we would expect to do, maybe a little better than expected even. I want to quick remind you of Rule 3, which is making the macro trends work for you. One of those big macro trends is online shopping. And with that, what we're going to do this week is we're going to buy some Etsy. I'll go over and do that in just a second. Before I do, I wanted to talk to you about compounding and the power of compounding. This is oftentimes called the eighth wonder of the world, but it's not magic, it's just math. And so how compounding interest works is this year, money that you invest grows in value. Next year, the money that you invested this year, plus the growth that you got this year, continues to grow in value. The next year after that, you get the original money plus 2 years worth of growth and so on and so forth. So if we look at these charts, which are $5 per week at 10%, 12%, 15%, side by side, after the first year in all three cases, we're going to be roughly in the $270 to $280 range, and we invested $260. That's where we'll end up after the first 52 weeks. But if I look forward to, say, 10 years down the road, we'll have only invested $2,600 and we'll have between $4,000 and maybe $5,300, and that's after just 10 years at $5 a week. $5 a week is pretty much nothing, and it's easy to come by. Maybe when you're younger it's not, but as you get older it becomes much easier. If I look further out in the future, let's say 30 years, $5 a week will have invested $7,800. You'll have $115,000 at 15% a week, or you'll have $42,000. Either way, you've only invested $7,800, and you've got most of the money coming off of growth. In future weeks, I'll go through some of these other charts where I show what happens if you invest $100 a week, or $200 a week, or $300 a week. Obviously, as you get older and your career grows and you make more money, you can invest more money, and then you can make more of that money work for you. With that, let me switch over to our account here, and let's go ahead and buy our Etsy for the week. Etsy's a great company. They've really been doing well this past year, and usually the way it works is companies that do well continue to do well. So I have total confidence that next year, 2021, is going to be just as good for Etsy as last year was. So here we are, $5 at market price for Etsy, previewing that order, placing that order. We'll go back to our positions, and we'll take a look, and there we go. Etsy, we bought 0.029 shares of Etsy, so ready to go for next week. So far, we've actually had a really bad day, even though we've had a great year so far, mostly because everybody in the stock market had a bad day today. But just ignore the day-to-day swings and focus on the week-to-week, year-to-year, and we'll see how this thing's doing a year from now. Thank you all. If you enjoyed the video and want to follow along, please like or subscribe and share it with a friend. Thanks.